Assalamu alaikum. We are going to discuss the histopathological slide of trichofolliculoma. Trichofolliculoma is a benign appendigeal tumor of the hair follicle. When we look at the histopathological slide here at the scanning view, we can see that the pathology lies inside the dermis, because when we look at the slide, we have to first see that whether the pathology is lying inside the epidermis or the dermis. So the epidermis seems quite normal, and the pathology seems to be present in the dermis. So what we see that there's a cystic cavity inside the dermis, surrounded by some follicles which are connected to the central cystic cavity or the follicular cystic cavity. So it is also known as the mother follicles and the baby follicles, which is very typical for trichofolliculoma. This structure looks basaloid, in which the central follicle is dilated, forming a cystic cavity, and surrounding the same follicle, the smaller vellus hair follicles are connected to the central one, hence called the mother and the baby follicles. Each follicle is surrounded by a follicular sheath, and surrounding it there is a connective tissue present in the dermis, and some infiltrate as well. So when we look at a very high power at such as 40x, we are also going to recognize the inflammatory infiltrate, that is lymphocytes and some histiocytes as well. I'm going to share this is another picture of the same trichofolliculoma, in which there is a central dilated cystic cavity surrounded by the vellus hair follicles attached to the central follicular cystic cavity of the hair. Thank you.